Hi and welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. Today I will be showing you how to make very simple, very easy, and for me fast, but this washi tape holder. I just did it with glue. I know it doesn't look nice, but it works for me. If you want to do it better than what I have, that's fun. But I did use three. But the materials are I used I went to Home Depot once with my husband and saw these samples, and I told him, "Can I take them?" He said, "Oh yeah, that's what they're there for." So I took one of each, and for this tutorial, I'm gonna use this one. This is where the sticky foam was. I'm gonna use for this one. I'm gonna use two because I couldn't find the third one, but you need three. What you do? Oh, okay. Well, I'll hold on to that. And you need to measure, if you're going to put three, you need to measure for three washi tapes. You're going to need three. And then you're going to need a Sharpie. And I'll show you in a minute. I just need to clear this and I'll be back. Okay, so I set it up a little bit better so you can see what I'm going to do. First of all, put the three on there so you can know where do you want them, where do you want to place them. And that's pretty much how I want them. I press down on it and I put the Sharpie right in the middle and make a little dot or a little circle. Press down in the other one and do the same. I don't know if you can see it, but show all three. You can see the dots there. These dots are where the dowels are going to be. Once I find the other one, I will put it on there. Okay. I'm not sure what size these are. I'll edit the video and put the size there. But pretty much that's how it is. And try to put the dowel like right in the middle of the Sharpie. You're going to use a glue gun, obviously. Or whatever kind of glue you want. I just put a little dot first. And put it right in the middle. The dowels are not that straight, but that's okay for me too. So this is how I do mine. But I do it one at a time because if I do all three, I cannot go around with the glue gun. So I just kind of leave it there. And then go around with the glue gun up to the top, from the top. Just to make it sturdy enough to hold on to it, to the washi tapes. That's why there's a big old gunk on the bottom of mine. You just go around it carefully because it will come off if you don't do it carefully. Just keep turning. It will wilt, so you can put it back though. And I do suggest that, I know this glue dries fast, but I would definitely suggest to leave it overnight to make it all sturdy and hard. And it's leaning a little bit, so you can do something to keep it there or maybe prop it. It keeps leaning, but this takes time. So this is just for the video that I'm doing this, or else I would just leave it alone or prop it with something else. I could try it doing this, but that's not gonna work because it's gonna fall anyhow. But that's basically what you do. Think the dowel from the bottom, it is here, there you go, it is not straight. So try to find the side that is straight enough. Yeah, I can see it, they're not straight, but that is basically what you do. Put a dot on there at first. Try to press it down as long as it holds a little bit. And I would let it dry first before I kept putting glue on it. That's why it's leaning. And when I do put the excess glue on there, I try to glue from about 1/4 of an inch, pretty much, so it can hold the stick more. And I'm kind of being cautious here, so going around. It's already leaning, so I better hurry up. But if you think it's a little ugly with all that gunk, well, you guys can try a different way. Because this is I don't know. I was trying to find a way to keep my washi tapes all in line. And this is the only way I thought really quick. Uh-oh. Woo. Got it. Okay. So basically that is it. That is how you make this. And I hope you like it. Share it. I'm going to keep my hands here. Or find something to prop it up with. That won't hurt the glue on it. So, thank you for watching and hope you like it.